What is LiDAR? Have you ever wondered how autonomous cars or robots can navigate without crashing? The answer lies in a technology called LiDAR. Simply put, LiDAR works like radar, but instead of radio waves, it uses light to create a detailed map of the environment. The name is an acronym for light detection and ranging. What is LiDAR used for? This technology is fundamental in several fields, especially in robotics. It's the primary eye of many autonomous vehicles, allowing them to detect other cars, pedestrians, and obstacles in any light condition. It is also used by mobile robots to navigate safely in complex environments, and by drones to create high-resolution terrain maps. And how does it work exactly? The operation is simple but incredibly fast. A LiDAR device emits millions of laser light pulses into the environment. Every time a pulse hits an object, it bounces back and returns to a sensor. The device measures the time it took for that pulse to travel back and forth. Since the speed of light is constant, the system can calculate the distance to the object with millimeter precision. By making these measurements, the LiDAR creates a point cloud, a highly accurate, three-dimensional digital representation of everything around it. In short, LiDAR's main advantage is its incredible precision and its ability to function in complete darkness. It is one of the most important technologies for machines to not only see, but also understand and navigate the physical world.